Okay, hindi man pari ka, kaya luwag ka, mga pari mo ikaw ang hindi ka taktan na rin niyo.
Hello. Hello, shout out to viewers. Hello, shout out kay Lencio Dos and GSY Talks Football Fan Channel. Hello, greetings from England. Hello, shout out guys. Thank you for 5 viewers na nag-like sa aking Lala Vlog. Shout out kay and kay shout out kay Amgras. She is Moment. Hello friend. And shout out blah 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 blah. Okay. Comments guys so I can shout out you everyone. Shout out from England. Hello SGSY Football Fan Channel. Greetings from England. Shout out Vaniha Travel and Tour. Hi, shout out kay Claudio Xiao. Hi, hello. Welcome in my Lala Vlog. Shout out guys. Hello, shout out, but I don't understand your name. I think you're from Taiwan or Indonesia. Hi, shout out kay one viewer stay. Hi. Hello, shout out guys. Okay. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. 5 viewers. Welcome in my Lala Vlog. It's so fun Sunday that guys. It's Sunday. Are you done to mass guys? Are you attend in the mass? Sunday mass guys. Hello guys. Welcome 5 viewers and 6 viewers like my life. Thank you. Welcome. Shout out kay Claudio. Follow you. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe me guys. Thank you so much. Thank you for subscribe me guys. Thank you. Thank you Claudio. Follow you. Thank you. Thank you. What's your name? The last comment. Shout out Jeneline. Oh, Panya. Ayah boy. Hello, good hello. And shout out Fahan. Ag Hamuha Hamas 57. Sending kiss. Hello. Shout out guys. Welcome in my Lala Vlog channel. Hello. Please like guys and subscribe. What's your name? The last comment. Thank you guys. Thank you. Please like and subscribe guys. Hello. Shout out kay Sano Kumar Vlog. Hello guys. Thank you. Shout out kay Fatal Sinding Heart. Thank you guys. Please like guys and subscribe. Thank you guys. Okay. Marian. Super. Thank you guys. Thank you. Be careful to your comments guys so nobody ban. Okay? You can say anything but not bad, okay? So everyone's not a ban in comment, okay? Claudio. Thank you guys for 8 viewers like my live today. Thank you so much. Happy Sunday guys. And Graham. Hello Graham. Thank you sir for coming in